Welcome. I'm Terry and this is Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Copycat Chipotle corn salsa that's perfect for any occasion. This recipe is easy to follow and only takes 10 minutes or less to make. So let's get started. We're going to start with a 16-ounce bag of frozen corn. You can use canned corn as well if you like. You're going to need 16 ounces. I've thawed it and let it drain well. And then I need about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Quarter cup of cilantro. This has been chopped and then frozen. That's the reason it looks nice and dark like that. But the taste of it after it's frozen, although the color changes a little bit darker, it still tastes just like fresh. I have about a quarter of a cup of diced red onion, about a cup of cherry tomatoes that I've halved, about 2 tablespoons of finely diced jalapeno. Now this is optional, but it does add to the flavor, make it that much better. And I have a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I just want to stir it all together. Just want to make sure I get the salt and pepper fully dispersed. And believe it or not, that's it. You can use it as a side dish for any type of meal that you have. It's great to take along on a picnic. You can use it as a topping on tacos or burrito bowls. What I like to do is serve it with like a dip with some tortilla chips, and you're all set. And just like that, you have a great snack or appetizer to offer your family and friends. I hope you enjoyed this Copycat. And be sure to leave me a note below if there are other Copycat recipes you'd like to see. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. If you haven't already, I'd love it if you would like and subscribe to Cat Scratch Kitchen. That way you won't miss any of the great new dishes in the future. Until next week, have fun in the kitchen.